Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Not to my kitchen, but to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe right here. Then go ahead and hit the notification bell right here. It's always something new going on this channel. And believe me, it's always something yumptious coming up in my kitchen next. Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick sit down, chit chat a little bit with you guys. Because I know you guys like it when I sit down and chit chat with you. So I'm going to do that right now. So let's get right into it, guys. I have a few little things that I want to talk about. Little bit of things. This video is not going to be a long one. It's going to be a pretty short one. But I have a few little things that I want to touch base with you guys on. I just want to thank you guys for riding with me, being there with me from day one until now. And you know, I really appreciate the love. I'm still in love. I love it. I love you guys. Trust me, you guys are like family. Sometimes when I'm having a bad days, it's you guys who motivate me and keep me going. Like, give me the urge and the push to just keep on going with this, because this is a lot of work, guys. And you guys just motivate me every day to continue to do what I love to do, and that is cooking and sharing my love for cooking with you guys every day. And that's the best feeling ever. I've gained so much friends and trust me, it's unbelievable. You guys are ride or die, and I love you guys. I really do. Now, let's talk about some of the recipes that you guys ask me to do sometimes. Oh, well, all the time. Well, let's just say someone asked me to cook things like chicken foot. Chicken foot is a type of thing that a lot of people wouldn't eat or don't eat. So if I put that recipe up, it's not for everyone. But not because you feel like you don't like it, that doesn't mean you're gonna thumbs it down and you're gonna talk all this negativity on that recipe. That recipe is meant for the people who are asking for it. So we don't need the negative things on these recipes, okay? Just don't say anything. If you don't like the recipe, based on what is up, you don't have to say anything. Just keep it moving, okay? It is for someone who wants that recipe and who wants to learn. Not because you don't like pigtail, that don't mean the next person don't like pigtail. If somebody asks me to cook a certain type of thing, it might not be a big deal for you, but it's a big deal for somebody else who's learning to cook. So I'm going to do it because I'm loyal to you guys. You guys are loyal to me, and you guys ride with me. So whatever recipe that you ask me for, it might not make some people happy, but I'm going to do it. Well, guys, let me talk about what's really going on. When you see this video right here, this video is going to be the day of my anniversary. As you guys know, who have been with me for a minute or two, you guys know I got married last year. Last year, November 12th was my big day. And so, that was when I said my I-dos to my king. Love him, you know? Yes, I love him. He's my best friend ever. We was friends for years and years and years. And, yeah, past couple of years ago, we decided to take it to the next level. And the next level, now I'm Mrs. McDonald. Isn't that amazing? I have the best husband that I could ever ask for. He's loving. He makes me laugh. He's goofy. He's kind. He's warm. He's sensitive. He's giving. He's everything and more. My husband, it understands me, because let me tell you something. I am not an easy nut to crack, you know, guys. I am not an easy nut to crack. And my husband cracked my nut. That is the only man that I've ever been with that truly understands Juliana. And I think God really answers. The Bible says if you wait patiently on him and be of good courage, he will strengthen your heart. And he said, wait. And I waited. Even though I know my husband a long time and we was friends for so long, I just felt like that time wasn't right in both our lives. We kept it friends. And so, he's my husband. No, I am happy. I am so blessed. I am truly blessed to have a husband that supports what I do. And we will be out somewhere. Can't tell no spot me go there now, because it's just going to be me and him. We're going to have a good time. It's going to be a good one. I'm really going to enjoy it. I really deserve this getaway. Not just that it's my anniversary, but I've been really tired, guys. Working, going to the store every day, and doing YouTube videos is a work in progress. It's even more work than just going to the store. It is a job and a half. I can tell you guys, it is a lot of work, but I get it done. Another thing that I'm going to touch base about that has really been heavily on my mind, and I'm going to share it with you guys. Now, some of those videos that I have up, like, I definitely, let me rephrase this, guys, because there's so much things going on that I have to let you guys know what's really happening, because it's starting to take a toll, and I feel like I have to share these things with you guys. Now, I definitely have a personal hater. I know that on YouTube you have people will come out and press like hates and stuff on your video and say negative things sometimes on your content that you have posted. That's okay. But then when you have those personal haters are the ones that know you in real life, and because they don't have no balls to come and say something to you in your face, they go for your social media, they go for your YouTube, they go for your Facebook posts, they go for your Instagram posts, they go for Twitter. They go through your friends, they go through anybody that them know who know you to get you really hyped. Usually I'm not a person that will not make nothing bother me, because you're gonna have hater regardless. But this person right here, in my next sit down that I do with you guys, I'm going to get down into the depths of this, and I'm going to call this hater by name. But the other day, guys, I was sitting home and I was going through some of my comments and stuff that you guys leave on those videos that I give you, and next thing I know, I come across this hater. And like I said, this is a personal hate, and I'm going to let you guys know all about this hate that I've been enduring for a couple of years now. I'm gonna show you this content or this message or this hate or whatever it is that this hater left for me on my page, on one of my videos that I have. So this hater that I figured out who it is, and I'm going to let you guys know in another video who this is. They've been reporting me to YouTube and all those things about certain videos that I put up. But this person right here, they call themselves Shorty the President, right? So that's their name that they use right there. Right there, Shorty the President, okay? So now they leave me a message saying, "Old chat bad gal," right? And so, of course, I answered, and this is what I said, as you could read it right there where I answered, right? And so, the hater came back with that, right? So that's what the hater said right there. And I came back again with that right there. And so, the hater came back with that. And let me tell you, this is extremely personal. Them comfy, when they can, seems to get to me. When I put certain videos up, guys, like when I talk about sexual assault, like when I talk about, like when I do sit down videos, alright, this is what's going on too. When I do like sit down videos, they report those sit down videos. There's a video that I put up the other day. It was about hate and stuff like that, like haters. It wasn't anything, no sexual anything, no nothing. It was just about haters and how they rub your name in mud. And let me tell you something. So by the time I put the video up, YouTube decided not to monetize the video, took the video down. I had to go into depths for them to start monetizing that video and to get the video back up. I didn't make it public. I just left it alone because something after that video. I went into all my videos and checked it. All the videos that I have where I do sit down with you guys and talk about life and marriage and all that stuff. And even when I got engaged, they report all my videos to YouTube. And for some reason, YouTube decided they're not going to monetize those videos. And that's what's been going on. I've been having haters. They even report me on Facebook. They report my fan page on Facebook to Facebook. Honey, it's been a rough one with this particular right here. They're trying their best to find contents to report me to Facebook about how you gonna report somebody about their cooking, you know? But it's not. They're not gonna stop anything, guys. Trust me, they're not going to stop. It's going to get better and better and better and better. Like even when I do a vlog, guys, they report my vlogs. Okay? That there's contents in there. They report my vlogs. This hater is real. It's my anniversary, guys, and I'm going to make it a good one. So you hater that stays on my YouTube page, continue to press that hate button. I know it's you have been exposed. The hate is real, guys. The hate is real. I'm never going to let nobody stop me. Nobody not going to stop this. Okay, you're not going to stop. So you could come for me all you want. It's not going to stop this. I have a husband that loves me. I have a husband that adores me. I have children that loves and adores me. I have people like you guys out there that love and adore me. So what am I worried about? I will be away for a couple of days, but I have some videos that I'm going to be making public so you guys could see it. I'm not going to be answering any messages. I'm not going to be on my phone very much because it's going to be good. I'm just trying to have one-on-one time with my husband. No YouTube, no networking, nothing like that. Just us two. And so when I come back to my kitchen, it's going to be a good one, right? I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in with me. Thanks for hanging in there. I'm going to be leaving links below for Facebook, for Instagram, for Twitter, all that good, yummy stuff. And so you go ahead and follow me there. All right? I love you guys. Thanks for love and support. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. Come on, come on, come on,